Hey guys, welcome back. I've got 3 shipments going out this week on my new side hustle with my 3D printing business, and I'll tell you what, it is not easy to start a side hustle. So let's talk about it. Now, I got my first sale on Etsy with these Tecton Nook brush surface mount products. I think they're pretty cool. I ship them in a 2-pack, okay? So I've finally got 2 units in this box. It's a smaller box that I ship out. Easy to ship out, really easy sale. I like these. I wish I could sell more of them. Maybe I need to focus on some of the SEO when it comes to Etsy and these brush surface mounts. But then I've got another wall plate here, my Tecton Nook wall plate, duplex style. And I sell these all the time, at least once a week, maybe twice a week if I'm lucky. But now I've got 3 shipments out that I got to ship out to FedEx. I'm sitting here in the parking lot because I'm so busy, guys. Honestly, this month has been an extremely busy month, this entire summer. I obviously have a family. You know, I've got 2 kids, I've got a wife, and that's hard to maintain. Doing a side hustle, having a day job, having a YouTube channel. It's hard to juggle all those things. I've been kind of AWOL on YouTube. I missed a video last week. I missed my live stream last week because I was out at my in-laws and my parents. We take the kids out to see the grandparents, and it's a lot of fun. You know, I enjoy seeing them interact with the grandparents. We're generating memories at the end of the day, but it is hard to maintain a side hustle by doing so, right? I had to take my Etsy store and put the processing up to 9 or 10 days, which, you know, some people may not order if they see the processing is at 9 or 10 days. But hey, I got lucky. You know, 2 people did order last week, even though I was away from the shop. I don't put it in vacation mode because I still want to sell. I don't see a reason why, you know, you have to put it in vacation mode, because I think it screws up the algorithm and it's hard to get traction again. So I don't want to lose momentum. That's the thing about running a side hustle, is momentum is everything, you know, and it's hard to keep that momentum, especially if you got a family and you're going on vacation during the summer, which I don't recommend missing out on vacations. You want to keep the vacations going. You want to create memories, because what's all this for, right? What would you be, you know, doing all these side hustles even for? So, you know, that's one thing you got to consider, is don't ruin your family if you're trying to do a side hustle. You got to take your time. You know, this thing that you're doing is going to take you time at the end of the day, whether it's you selling once a week, you're selling twice a week, maybe you're selling 50 a week. I don't know what it is. It's going to take your time, and you're going to have to figure out how to manage it all. And that's what I'm struggling with. I'm not struggling with it, but it's just something you have to understand being an entrepreneur, is you're going to go through the struggles of nonstop, you know, in your mind, working through the problems. You know, I got to ship these 3 products when I get home on Sunday. And then I've got another customer order that's got a bunch of custom plates he wants. And so I had to model those up all last night. I was up till 1:32 in the morning. You know, you get up early, you get going. You know, I got to put those plates, I got to take photos of those plates and get AI to colorize them, because I don't do all the colors. You know, I print one white plate and then I have AI color them all. And so I got to get that done. Then I got to email that customer. And then my day job, man, I am just nonstop hustling on my day job. I will say this, guys. Don't treat your day job as the vehicle of last resort. Let's put it that way. I am super focused on my day job nonstop, because that's the moneymaker. That's the moneymaker. But that's the instrument that can help you get to the next level. That's the instrument that can help you build your side hustle. That's the instrument that you take that cash flow, whatever's left over from your monthly expenses, and that's what you use to build your business. You know, because every business is going to struggle those first 2, 3, 4 years to make money. You're going to lose money. So you don't want to take out a loan from the bank. You want to use your day job as your bootstrapping instrument to build your business. That's the bottom line. That's what I'm doing. And I'm not going to stop there. You know, I'm going to keep going with my day job. I'm building more and more sweet products for my day job. I love it. Honestly, I love my day job. You got to find that too. You know, it's a good thing to find maybe a great day job, a great side hustle, maybe do YouTube, whatever it is. I think that's the way to go, honestly. It's just to keep trying new things, and eventually something's going to pop. It might be your day job. Maybe your day job turns into this dream job that you have, that you love, and and maybe your bosses give you equity stake in that company. Who knows? You know, it's hard to say. Not every job's the same. You know, I'm very fortunate with my job, but I've worked hard for it. You know, to get to this position, I had to side hustle it from my previous day job. You know, I was working till midnight, 2, 3, 4 in the morning to get the skills to acquire the type of job that I have today. And that's probably why I'm able to explain these things on YouTube as well. It's all this hard work and all this juggling of work-life balance. That's what you're going to have to do. And I'm going to continue to do this. You know, I got a little sidetracked with summer vacations, spending time with the family, which is good. But I need to circle back. I need to keep hustling with the YouTube channel, with my 3D printing business, with my day job, which I'll tell you what, here's one thing I will recommend is figure out how to learn AI, okay? I'm doing that with my job. I learned how to vibe code this last 4 weeks, okay? I've coded over 100,000 lines of code vibe coding. What does that mean? Well, whatever your job is, you need to figure out how to utilize AI to your advantage, to multiply yourself 2, 3, 4, 5 times, whatever it is, you know. Most of these jobs that we do in the United States are probably white-collar service jobs. That's where we've been for the last 20, 30 years. We've gotten out of manufacturing. Now, don't get me wrong, there's lots of blue-collar jobs, and unfortunately, you know, AI may not help there, but it might, especially if you're running your own business. If you're an owner of one of these blue-collar businesses, whether it's landscaping, contracting, whatever it is, you need to use AI. You've got to use the agents available to you to build all the grunt work out, to do all the things like the logistics, you know, building shipping labels, emails, etc., etc., etc. You've got to figure out ways to multiply yourself, okay? That is what it's all about. That's what this AI revolution is all about, is labor replacement, okay? I'm sorry to tell everyone that, but that is what it is. And the only way you're going to be able to do all these side hustles is to replace yourself with AI and utilize it to your advantage and to manage those agents. That's what I'm doing essentially nowadays. I mean, I'm going to be doing it with my business too. As soon as I get to scale where it's like, okay, I can't keep up with this business, I'm going to be building agents, whether it's Claude work or Claude code, whatever it is, to help me run my business. And that's what you guys got to do too, is use the tools available to you and figure out how to juggle all these things. I got to take my 2 cars into a shop this week. I got to take care of my family. It's just nonstop. That's what adulting is, guys, is you're going to have the fortitude to push through, okay? To push through all the obstacles and just get the job done. If you guys are entrepreneurs out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's nonstop hustle, daily grind. So if you guys could, like and subscribe to the channel, take a look at my previous video, and everyone have a great day. Thanks. Later.